Hey. How's it going, everyone? I hope you're all having a great day. So the other day I actually purchased some new lights. I purchased the Neewer 660 LED lights in the kit that is Neewer 2-pack dimmable bicolor 660 LED video light with barn door and 6.5 feet light stand with a 4-pack rechargeable batteries and charger lighting kit for photo studio YouTube video shooting. Great grammar on that title. So, yeah, I bought this the other day. It just came in today. It's a really heavy box. So today we're going to cut this box on open, see what's inside, and then afterwards gonna do a little test to see how the lights operate. I also purchased the Zoom F1 field recorder, so I'm recording on that today, and we'll see how that sounds. So, let's get into this. This is what is in here. Oh boy, another box. More boxes on the inside. All right, so first thing, we got so many like little boxes in here, so we'll just kind of go through them all, see what we got. These are the little battery chargers for the batteries that come with the kit. Yeah, so you got the battery charger, obviously comes with all that, but the fun thing, we've got 4 of them. Battery charger number 2. Ooh. Beautiful. Customer service. That's what I like to see. Charger number 3. Charger number 4. So, started off with 4 chargers. What do we want to go for next? I'm gonna guess these ones are batteries. These are pretty solid batteries. They last quite a while. Battery number 2, battery number 3, and battery number 4. So far we have 4 chargers, 4 batteries. Let's get to the actual lights though. Just kidding, we're gonna go for these first. So next we have the Neewer light stands. I've heard previous things about these that they're not the greatest of quality, but they feel okay. Oh, yikes. And then the actual Neewer LED photography light, LED NL660. Okay, I got 2 of these ones. So let's see what comes inside. Oh, I forgot it comes with this. So this kit also, in addition to the light stands, the batteries, the chargers, it also comes with this really nice Neewer bag. They're very nice, very useful. They fit obviously perfectly with the light. First thing inside. Okay. First thing inside, we've got the light manual. This light's a pretty straightforward light to use, but if ever you need to know what you're doing, just read this screenshot. Boom. Customer service, they love us. But yeah, the actual light, here it is. Also comes with AC power 2. Yeah, you do it like that and then goes in. So that's all that's in that. You obviously keep this. But yeah, the actual light itself. So the 660 comes with the barn doors for your light. So it looks like that. When it's open, you can angle them however you'd like. Barn doors actually come off. Just need a flathead screwdriver or probably a coin, really. Anything flat, and you can unscrew them from there and just have it without the barn doors. So yeah, you can actually slide this part out to reveal the 660 lights on the inside, Clark Griswold style. Whoops! I got some finger smudges on there already. So yeah, take it off for a harsher light, keep it on for a softer light kind of thing. There's 330 yellow lights and 330 white lights because it allows you to adjust the temperature a little. On the back here, we have the 2 battery ports. So you got your switch, you can go to battery, or you can go over to AC power and off in the middle. Here is where you plug in for the AC power. On the bottom here, you've got your dimmer switch, so how dimmed or bright you want. Quick editor's note, these are not the same dials that they had in the past. Before it was a dimmer and a color switch, but now they are both dimmable lights, with the one being the dial for the white light and the other being the dial for the yellow light. I'm going to charge the batteries first, and then I'm going to get into a little bit of testing to see how these lights really are. Because right now I've just got the lights in my house, and I think there's like 3 different colors of light shining on me right now. So this is nice and compact, only a few feet. These both spring open, and this opens up. Got a nice sturdy base, about 6.5 feet tall. So with the light, screw it onto there. This stuff's so easy to do. I've had a few times in the past where I've used this and the handle gets a little loose. So it's good to carry an Allen key of the same size on hand with you at all times, just in case it gets loosened. Just quickly tune it up with an Allen key. Typically you loosen and tighten those to keep this moving like that. The one problem with having the barn doors on is you can tilt it all the way up, but as soon as you go down, you're hitting the barn door. It's a little annoying, but what you can do is actually you can unscrew this all the way. Also unscrew this one all the way. But you just bring it, there's another spot that you can screw it right into. In doing so, it actually gives a little space to help the light tilt down a little. Now, as you can see, I've brought it from that spot down to this. You can now tilt it down quite a lot. So yeah, you can have that. So this is what it looks like with both the lights on. I've got the one light over here, the one light kind of here to stop the shadows a little. And I think these lights do an amazing job, especially for their price. So I'll show you what it looks like completely white, and then I'll show you what it looks like completely yellow. So these are the lights with their white bulbs to the brightest and their yellow bulbs completely off. So there's 330 bulbs of each color in each of these lights. And this is what the lights look like when they're completely turned on full brightness on yellow. So with these lights, because they actually don't show you the exact color temperature, it does take a bit of experimenting. Right now I'm still experimenting with what colors I like and what settings on my camera I like, but this will take a lot of experimenting. So with these lights, you're gonna have to do some trial and error before you actually take them out to do real shoots. And the other major benefit of getting the 2-pack of lights is you can always have one to block out the shadows, because these lights, they are pretty harsh. So when you only have one of these lights on you, you're gonna get these bad shadows all around you, but having that second light will take away some of the shadows. Not all of them, as you can see there's a bit still here, but it does a much better job than just having the one light. Because these lights are a little harsh, there are some Neewer soft boxes that you can buy, and I'll link those down below. But really, for what you're paying for these, to get the batteries, the lights, the stands, and the cases, all for $3.99, that is a good deal. I bought these lights as an amateur filmmaker because I'm not ready to invest in the Aperture series, and I wanted ones with LED lights so they don't get hot and you have to wait for them to cool down all the time. The amount of times I've been standing in lobbies after shoots waiting for the lights to cool down so I can actually put them away is annoying. So to actually have these, once you're done the shoot, you just pack them up and you're good to go. And just a side note, another thing that I really love about these lights is on the back, the AC power cords are a lot better than what they were in the past. In the past, they stuck straight out and then the cord would always bend down and I was always scared it was gonna break. But with these new ones, they're done with these little bent ones, and that is a much better design than in the past. So 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend these. So overall, just from this quick little demonstration of these, I would highly recommend the Neewer 660 lights and also the Zoom F1 lavalier microphone. If you have questions about any of these products, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. Well, that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw and want to see more of my tech and unboxing videos, you're kind of out of luck because I don't have many of those, but the ones I do have, I'll have them linked down in the description. And while you're down there, please consider hitting that subscribe button to keep up to date with all of my regular content. Next week, I'll be back with another music video, and hopefully it'll be lit a little nicer than in the past. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, take care, and I'll see you next time.